So, as you can see behind me, I am writing an essay, which means I am doing another day in my life. I'm sitting at my desk this time, and usually I put you guys on my window and start the video off, but again, there's those glares again. You can see them on my shirt. And I didn't want that, so I'm sitting at my desk and I have an independent writing assignment to write an IWA for my AP Literature class. And so far I have about 3 paragraphs and I need a total of 6, so I'm halfway there. I started this last week. So right now I'm on winter break. Today is Tuesday and it is currently 10:56 in the morning. So yeah, I'm starting this pretty early because I want to finish this today and give you guys a day in my life, actually do other things apart from this essay. So we're gonna get started and see how much we can get done today. Well, this is what I have so far. I just have my thesis and 2 body paragraphs, and I will be going on to my third, which this time I need 4 body paragraphs. Last WA that I did, I needed 3 body paragraphs, but this one I need 4. So a total of 6 paragraphs. So yeah, and I have my notes. So here are my notes that I did for this IWA. For the story, it's called The Rainbow, so I just did a bunch of notes front and back, and yeah, kind of a lot, but just a little brainstorming to get me started. Also, I know what most of y'all are thinking. I know I said I'm on winter break and I'm doing homework, I'm doing an essay. Well, see, just because I'm on break doesn't really mean I get a break from school. I still have a lot of work to do, assignments to complete and stuff. Also, since I am technically getting this free time of no school, no classes, no new assignments, then I do have more time to work on these assignments here. But yeah, and also I just want to get this over with, because the way that these IWA work we are given one every 6 weeks, and so we have the entire 6 weeks to complete it, and it has to be a successful IWA, a successful essay. So if my teacher doesn't think that it's successful, it is a 50. And then he returns it, he gives us advice on how to fix it, we fix it, turn it in again, and if he still doesn't think it's successful, it's still a 50. And then again, same routine until we get 100. Once we get that 100, we're done. So sometimes it could happen that if we end up working on it too late into the 6 weeks and there's not enough time and we end up with a 50, that is a 50 on our report card, and that is like a test grade. So it's like 40% of our grade. Yep, stressful. So that's why I'm trying to get it done, and it's actually due January 29th. Today it is the 22nd of December. I have about 4 weeks, 5-ish weeks. The last time that I turned it in, it took about a week and a half to get it returned to me, and then I turned it in that same day that I got it returned, and again it took another like week to get it graded. So it sounds like I have a lot of time, but I really don't. So okay, so I'm basically done. I just need to reread it and make sure that's how I want to turn it in. Okay, so I just cleaned up and organized my shoes that were under my bed and around my bed, because For a while, I had been using like multiple pairs of shoes throughout the week, but I've noticed that these past like 2 weeks, I've been using like the same 2 pairs of shoes. So I decided to put some away and get rid of them from where they were at, but I didn't show you guys that because that was really quick. But now I'm going to vacuum my room because my carpet needs to be vacuumed. Okay, so now I'm going to be wrapping presents, which I wasn't gonna do until Wednesday, which is tomorrow, but Christmas is on Friday, so I guess I'm going to wrap them today just to have them ready. Plus, I have the time now. This is what I have. So I bought this wrapping paper and it's so cute. It has little like bears and porcupines on it with little hats, and it's so cute. So I bought this, and I actually bought another wrapping paper, but my sister and my mom used it, so it's gone. But that's fine. I think it's enough for me to wrap all these things. And then I bought this one separately. This is the only one that I bought. I just thought it was so cute. Like, look at it. It's near Christmas, and it's so like pretty, and it's big enough for what I wanted to put in it. If I do need any more, then my mom has bags, but if I end up not having any downstairs, then I will have to go to the store and buy more, but that's fine. So let's get started. So I ran out of bags, so I had to improvise a little with these two right here. but I have these wrapped up small presents, and then this bag, and then I have that bag. And I still need about like 2 more bags, possibly 3 actually, the bigger ones, but that's what I have so far. So I actually just turned in my IWA, which I'm a little nervous about, but hopefully it's not too bad. Hopefully I don't need to fix so many things. But anyway, I am going to be making a mask. So I'm making one right now. Like, I'm going to be finishing this one off because I started it a couple of days ago, I think on Friday, and today is Tuesday. So I have it here. It's going to be a yellow one, and I've actually already made some before. So I've made all of these, and also I think I have another one that's in the wash in the laundry. But yeah, so I have this one, which is like a little mustard yellow. I have this purpley one, which is super thick, and then I have this gray one, which is also super thick, and then I have this one, which is like medium thick. And yeah, so I make my own mask now, because why buy more masks whenever I can just make my own? I have the fabric. So basically, whenever I have clothes that I no longer want, or I'm gonna get rid of, or no longer fit me, whatever the case may be, if I really like the fabric or the color, then I use it to make a mask. If you guys want to see a video of me making a mask, let me know in the comments or message me separately, and I will gladly do a video. I'm proud of my masks, but I'm not gonna say that I'm a professional at it. Like, this is how they look. So they look like they look pretty good, but they do have slight mistakes. I'm not the best, I'm not a professional, but I can still do a video of that if you guys want to see. So I just got back from a Dollar Tree. I told you guys that I did need more bags and tissue paper, so that's what I got. I got 2 of these tissue papers, but I gave them to my mom, and then I got all these bags. So I got this one, and then I got this one with little Christmas trees on it, and then I got this one with little snowman, and then I got this one, and I got another one with another snowman, but again I gave that one to my mom, and then 2 other ones, and yeah. So okay, so this is what I came up with. These were the last bags that I needed to do. I didn't do that great on this one or any of these, so don't judge the tissue paper, okay? But yeah, I'm done with that. And now on to, honestly, I think I'm gonna work out a little and then work on my mask. Okay, so please don't judge my bun too much. It's very messy, but I'm just putting it up so that I can work out because I don't want it in my face. Okay, so I know I look really bad. Today is the next day, and I didn't finish my mask yesterday, but I literally just finished it like 2 seconds ago. So I'm going to show it to you guys. So I just made it this yellow one. It looks like this. I kind of messed up. The yellow was supposed to be on both sides, but I ended up having the black being on the inside, on the other side. But I guess in a way I could kind of make it reversible. But it's actually not bad. I'm not mad about it. But yeah, that's the mask. So, yeah. It's 4:36 right now, but the sun is slightly starting to go down. So on that note, I will be ending the video here. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you will be notified of when I upload new videos. Bye, loves.